morning, YouTube. Welcome back to our weekly vlog. Today, it is Sunday. It's a beautiful Florida morning, and we got our full race leathers on. We're stretching these things out for the tail of the dragon. Let's go to breakfast and have some fun. We are breaking these things in. They are now brand new, third time worn. They are stiff as a board. And I gotta get them ready to be max flexible for our tail of the dragon trip in just a few weeks. And here we arrive for breakfast. Good old Pam's Country Diner. Hi, I'm here. YouTube, this right here is what we call betrayal. See what am I wearing right now? I'm wearing a full leather race suit to breakfast. What is Vic wearing? That looks like Jordan's, jeans, and a riding jacket. Now I look like an idiot, and he's just out here hanging out. We're supposed to be breaking in these suits for the tail, and you know, he said we will. We got less than 3 weeks, but that's fine. Change of plans. We're going to CycleGear because this guy didn't bring his suit.
Oh, bueno.
And his excuse for not wearing his suit is that he doesn't have boots.
That's why we're gonna go get boots.
So we're gonna go get boots so that he has no excuse not to wear his suit. Showing up here in full race leathers. This man's in jeans and Jordans. Did it, we made it.
Yes.
It looked for a second like it was gonna be closed.
Dude, look at suspect.
But
Over here.
we're in there.
We're about to get some gear.
Well, you're about to get some gear.
I don't have a good motorcycle boot.
First time you're ever buying motorcycle boots.
Okay,
Man's been wearing Jordans since he got on a bike.
it's not my fault. It's a culture thing, you know.
It's a culture thing, he says.
Hey guys.
What up?
Anything in particular?
He's here for boots.
He's here for boots. You went wrong way.
You need like something like that, or
That's too high.
no, that's
That's about, I mean, that's not much higher than that.
yeah.
I mean, that's the one most people would go with.
Man's got some new boots. He's putting them on with his jeans.
I'm about to show off right now.
He's about to show off. No more Jordans. Wait till you get on the bike and you go, I can't feel my levers.
It's gonna be totally different.
Yeah, you're gonna be like, I can't feel my levers.
Oh, we don't need that,
Oh, look at you.
but... Oh, what?
Hey, look at you.
What just happened here?
Oh, look at you go.
Oh.
Look at you.
Is there shoes in there?
The utility.
I can't tell. Well, I got riding boots, boy.
These new boot goofing. So we went to CycleGear. Vic's got, look at these boots. Look at them. Look at those boots. He's got boots. Man's got boots. So we got the boots. We're off for the ride. It's a gorgeous day. Hope you enjoyed another snippet into the life and times of MotoJack here in the Florida wilderness. Until next time, be safe out there.